Hello there everyone, Ali here recording this short video to show you how to delete your Twitter account in a couple of easy steps. You'll have to sign in to your account first, of course, and from the home page you go to the profile picture, click on it, go where it says settings and privacy and scroll all the way down. Click on deactivate your account and then deactivate. You're going to be asked to enter your password. You just do so and click deactivate account. I'm not going to do that because I want to keep my account. Once you click this, you're going to be shown a page that tells you that your account has been deactivated and it'll be completely deleted in 30 days. So they give you like a 30 days period in case you change your mind and want to reactivate your account. You could do so by signing back to your account and reactivating it. Otherwise, it'll be completely deleted in 30 days. Okay, hopefully this was helpful to some of you. Please feel free to leave a comment, like the video, or subscribe to my channel. Anything will be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone.